Have you ever wondered why bananas are everyone's favorite snack? It's not just their natural sweetness and creamy texture that make them a hit. They're also packed with incredible healing benefits, especially when viewed through the lens of Chinese medicine. Whether you're looking to boost your energy, support your digestion, or enhance your mood, bananas have got you covered. Let's peel back the layers and discover why bananas are a must-have in your healing journey. In traditional Chinese medicine, bananas are celebrated for their ability to tonify the spleen and stomach meridians. This means they help strengthen your digestive system, improve nutrient absorption, and boost your overall energy levels. Feeling sluggish or dealing with digestive discomfort? A banana might just be the natural remedy you need to restore balance and vitality in your body. But that's not all. Bananas are also known to moisten dryness, making them perfect for soothing dry skin, lubricating the joints and easing dryness in the throat. Their natural sugars and fiber help maintain moisture balance, keeping you hydrated and feeling great from the inside out. Let's talk mood. In Chinese medicine, bananas are believed to nourish the heart and calm the mind. The rich vitamin B6 content in bananas helps produce serotonin, the feel-good hormone, which can enhance your mood and reduce stress. So the next time you're feeling down or anxious, reaching for a banana can be a sweet way to lift your spirits. From a modern perspective, bananas are a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with potassium, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and dietary fiber, they support heart health, regulate blood pressure, and aid in digestion. They're also a fantastic pre-workout snack, providing the necessary energy to keep you moving throughout the day. So how can you incorporate these sweet superfoods into your daily routine? Try adding sliced bananas to your morning cereal or oatmeal, blending them into a creamy smoothie, or even freezing them for a delicious and healthy ice cream alternative. My personal favorite? A simple banana and almond butter toast topped with a sprinkle of chia seeds, sweet, nutritious, and oh so satisfying. Next time you enjoy a banana, remember it's not just a tasty treat. It's a bundle of healing energy ready to enhance your well-being. Whether you're boosting your energy, supporting your digestion, or uplifting your mood, bananas are a fantastic addition to your healing journey. What's your favorite way to enjoy bananas? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves food as medicine. See you next time on Healing Foods.